By creating maintenance agreement and defining them to the system, we can make transactions over them. Let's create an example of service agreement from the service maintenance section under the service management. Make the selection of the client we will work on using Find Client or New Maintenance Agreement buttons. From Product Information section, you can add products mentioned in the agreement that are entered to the client card. You can enter the validity date information of agreement to the starting date and ending date sections. From the periodic interval and periodic time sections, you can select the next periodic time of the product in day, week, month, or year basis. In example, let's consider a product will go under maintenance for 1 month interval during 2017. After we complete the record, program will transfer an agreement number automatically. Settings related to auto-generation of agreement number can be made at Admin, Definitions, General Settings, Service Descriptions. After completing the record, program will automatically transfer the next maintenance date to periodic interval and periodic time information. You can select the person signed the agreement at Supervisor Staff section. You can select the person will make the operations at Technical Staff section. You can enter the price for each maintenance to the Maintenance section. After matching the appointment record with maintenance agreement we created, then you can transfer to Service Ticket. Matching with the appointment record can be done by making selection at Maintenance Agreement section located at Appointment Record window. Related with this maintenance agreement, before given services will be listed at Given Services section located below. You can print the maintenance agreement using Print button located above, and you can modify the print file if desired. Using File section, we can record the files we want to relate with maintenance agreement and allow them to be recorded on database. After the necessary settings, you can complete maintenance agreement record by clicking to Save button located below.